Well, welcome back to Site Tech Intermountain Earthworks training videos. This video I want to show you how you can take files straight from your USB drive and custom file import them into the machines, right from the seat of the machine that you're in. You don't have to use File Flipper, you don't have to get into a project library. You can just take the raw files, the DSE, a VCL, whatever it is, add it to an existing project. You can create a new project with the cal, or you can take the old legacy SVD, SVL files and convert them right in the machine without using File Flipper. I want to show you how to do that at this point. Just make sure they're on your USB drive and they don't have to be in any particular folder or order inside of that. So from your main screen, start whatever CatGrade or Earthworks app you have. Once it comes up, just go ahead and log into the machine. You do need to at least be to the dashboard in order to be able to put the USB drive in to get this to start. So once you get to the dashboard, go ahead and insert your USB drive. On the screen here, you can change this first drop-down bar where it's usually put to import files to machine from USB. You can drop this drop-down bar down, and in here at the bottom of that is a custom file import to machine. So if you select that, you have a couple different options here. One, you can add a new project, or you can drop this drop-down bar and pick an existing project that you'd like to add files to. So here I'm going to leave it on Add New Project and hit Next. And you can go ahead and give it a name. So this could be the very beginning of a project. If it's just a short project, a quick one, whatever it may be, you can go ahead and name it. That'll be the duration of the project. Then hit Save. On the next screen, it's going to take you to where these files are. You can just go to your general USB, whatever it's called. So if you're just needing the cal file from a project, you can go into the project that's there, Office Data, and you can pick the .cal calibration. And there you go. It's going to import that .cal and it'll rename it to whatever it needs to work in the machine. So you can import that. So the project has been made and it's been imported in and created with the coordinate system. So you can repeat this process now and go to Custom File Import again. But instead of creating a new project, you're going to drop this drop-down bar down and you're going to pick the project that you already made. For example, this Earthwork imports I have. So now I'm going to add the files to that. So in that same general USB, I can go to Designs and I can bring in the VCL. I know those were in the project library, but it works the same if it was just on the root. So there it's going to bring that VCL file into that project itself. So that is done, it's ready to go. The second option here is to take legacy files. So you can custom file import, you can add a new project or pick an existing one. So I'm going to go to that same Earthworks imports file, and I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to go to the same general USB drive, but this time I'm going to go to machine controlled data, the older file type, and I'm going to go to my all folder. And in here, I'm going to pick the project that contains my CFG, SVD, SVL. What you do is highlight, you push and hold on the SVD or an SVL so they highlight, and then in the top right here, you hit the Open button. As soon as you hit Open, you can see right there, it has taken both those files and it's converted into a DSZ, which the DSZ is really simply just a zipped file of those two anyways. SVD, D meaning design, SVL, L for line work. So once you've done that, you can take that and import it, and it will create it to that same project. Hopefully this helps any of you that actually are using any other file types to do it. If you don't have Business Center or you don't have a data collector to export out of, and you don't have anybody that actually can convert this in File Flipper, this is a good way. The other thing that's nice here is if you're using the old GCS system on the job site, but then an Earthworks machine shows up, you don't have to worry about someone converting the files. You can take your USB drive right to the GCS machine, insert it in. You can export the files, the job site designs from the GCS 900 equipment to the USB drive, and then simply walk over to the Earthworks machine and import these files into a DSC by doing the cal file and the svd svl custom file import. Hopefully this video will help someone out there that's going through the longer process. Just know you can do it right on the main screen, and this has been capable ever since version 1.10 in Earthworks. So if you are older than 1.10, you need to have an update in order for this to work. But thank you for watching this video from SiteTech Intermountain on custom file imports.